Hi, how are you doing? Today I'm gonna be showing you a surprise and I'm sure you're gonna like it. So here you can see a video of me dancing that. And now imagine I want to turn this into 3D model data, but you might think it's really hard. Like I need to track the animation, do every single move. You might think it will take like so much time, it will take lots of time, but it's so simple. What you do is just select if you have one person or two person in here, and after that do if you have a T-pose, and after that just click extract, and you can name it whatever you want. And after that you just click extract, like I'm just gonna name it dance, and I'll just click extract. Now you can see it's done exporting and I have my dance one right here. Now imagine I want the dance one to come in a character. So it's so simple, you just drag this dance, and if I just play it, boom, it looks so good, right? It just looks exactly correct. So now I'm going to show you how you can add your own models. So first import any file you want. Now let's first what we'll be doing is we'll be just deleting this armature mixer mode, and right click and delete it. And after that just import the dance like we did last time. So now that you can see, if I just play my animation, you can see it projects off my body very perfectly. And so this is really amazing, right? So this is, by the way, this is Kshithij and Belman, and thank you for watching.